Hi guys, this is just a little recap on my bike and what I'm gonna do to it and what there is. Up the front here we got 3-wall rims, pretty standard race tyre, greased up all this, cleaned it all up. Brakes, I'm getting brand new brakes, new bars, I've sanded them and I'm wanting to paint them but they're a bit rusty. Grips, Odyssey keyboard grips, they're worn out, they've got holes in them. Standard plastic brake lever, that's brakes, that's been cut, I need to fix that. Move down, that's a hopper bike, so not the best. All greased up all that, cleaned up the chain, greasy. It's very fast bike. It's got a 18 tooth at the back there. Spins greased up all in there. Took this all apart, stripped it, cleaned it. And we got a tri wall at the back. Rim, the Mongoose, street, park tyres. Standard every seat with a lock. It's just because I ride this all the time and lock it up. And that's my bike. It's a very fast bike. It cost me about $60 and I've fixed it slowly. Headset's standard as well. Everything's cleaned up all in here. Cleaned up all in there. Cleaned it all really well in there. And that's my bike.